Tired of juggling between your Shopify store and WhatsApp to connect with your customers? Let's bridge that gap in under 90 seconds. First, navigate to your Shopify dashboard on the left-hand sidebar. Find and click on Online Store. This is where we'll access the area to inject our Aisensy script. Under Online Store, you'll see Theme. Click on it. This will take you to the section where you manage your store's visual appearance and underlying code. Now, look for the Actions button. It's usually a drop-down. Click on it, and then select Edit Code. This opens up the Theme Code Editor, where we'll be pasting our script. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. In the code editor, locate the theme.liquid file. This is the main layout file for your entire Shopify store. You can find it in the left sidebar under the Layout section. Click on it to open it. Scroll down within the theme.liquid file until you find the closing less than body tag. This is super important. The Aisensy script needs to go right before this tag. Now, paste your Aisensy WhatsApp script directly above the less than body tag. Make sure the entire script is pasted correctly and completely. A missing character can break things. Finally, click the Save button in the top right corner of the code editor. This will save your changes and activate the Aisensy script on your Shopify store. And that's it. Your Aisensy WhatsApp script is now integrated. Test it out to ensure everything is working smoothly. You should now be able to communicate with your customers directly through WhatsApp from your Shopify store. Enjoy the seamless connection.